ElBozoBonsando. If you think you are ready to register your business, in this video, we're going to share with you the step that you need to take to legally register your business in the United States. To begin this video, I'm assuming that you already have your business plan, you have done your research about the fundamental of business, you also went through a checklist before you register your business, so you are ready to register your business. So if you haven't done so, please check our previous videos about those type of topic before register your business. Assuming that you already have a name, you know your structure, so now you're ready to register your business. First thing I will do is check your name availability and register it with your state. That's very important because you don't want to start planning all the marketing with your business name, but you can't register it at your state because it's already taken. So I will start first, check the name availability in the social media, and also register the name with your state. And if you want to be more careful, you might as well trademark the name and also your logo. After registering your name with the state, now you want to go back to obtain what we call the EIN number, employer identification number. This is a number that the federal government through the IRS will give you that you can use to identify your business when you come to paying your taxes and almost any operation you're doing. That's where they identify your business. To do so, you can just Google IRS EIN number online application. It will get you directly to the IRS page where you can register your business directly online. At the end, after filling out the application, you'll be able to electronically save your EIN number and you can have it immediately. The next step in the process is register your business with the state. Now you're gonna go on your state business department, get all the information that you need to register the business. Every state is different about the requirement to register the business, but I can tell you usually you might have to pay a fee for registering it with your state. After registering your business with the state, make sure you got all the licenses that you need to operate the business. For example, if you're gonna have a barbershop, for each state you might need certain permit to operate a barbershop, for example. It's not the same permit that you need if you're gonna open a restaurant. So make sure you do your homework and go over all the requirements you need before you operate your business. Lastly, I would encourage you to open a bank account, especially for all your business transaction. You don't want to mingle any source of personal finances with your business finance. So I will definitely encourage you go to any bank and you open a business account, and you might be able to at the same time applying for a business loan. And after you do all those steps, you are ready to start operating your business. Here you have it. Those are the essential steps that you need to take in order to register your business. If you want to know more about the business topic, investment, real estate, we encourage you to check out our channel, and also you can follow us on all the social media, either Instagram, TikTok, and so forth. We also have a website, ElBozoBonsando, where we can provide you with all the resources that you need to be successful in your business journey. See you next time. Thank you. ElBozoBonsando, 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 bozo, 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 bozo.